Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoom recordings. Whether you need to review a past meeting, share content with someone who missed it, or simply organize your recorded sessions, knowing where to locate these files is essential for staying on top of your virtual communications. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign in to your account. Enter your login credentials carefully, making sure both your email and password are correct. This step is crucial because your recordings are tied directly to your account and you'll need proper access to view them. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Zoom dashboard. Here, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll find various navigation options. Look for the option labeled Recordings and click on it. This is your central hub for managing all the video content you've recorded through Zoom meetings and webinars. Once you're in the Recordings section, you'll notice that your recordings are organized into different categories to make navigation easier. You'll see options like Shared with Me and Computer Recordings. The Shared with Me tab displays recordings that other users have shared with you, giving you access to meetings you may not have hosted but need to review. Meanwhile, Computer Recordings shows the files that were saved locally to your device rather than to the cloud. Browse through these sections to locate the specific recording you're looking for. When you find the recording you need, you'll see an Open button next to it. Click this button to play the recording directly in your browser. This feature allows you to watch the content without having to download anything, making it convenient for quick reviews or reference checks. If you need to clean up your storage or remove outdated recordings, Zoom makes this simple as well. Next to each recording, you'll also find a Delete button. Clicking this will remove the recording from your account permanently, so make sure you've saved any important content elsewhere before proceeding with deletion. And there you have it, you now know exactly where to find and manage your Zoom recordings, whether they're stored in the cloud or on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.